Are you ready to revolutionize your manufacturing process? Look no further. Introducing Tri-Axis Transfer Press Modular Tooling Components, where strength meets versatility for exceptional performance. These one-piece wonders are completely interchangeable, designed for maximum lightness and rigidity. Ordering and assembly have never been simpler, with multiple bolt patterns for your convenience. But we're not just about products, we're about solutions. At PhD, our experts are here to assist with all your Tri-Axis press needs. And when you combine these innovations with our industry-leading PhD Series GRM family of automated sheet metal handling clamps, you get a total solution that ensures optimal performance for your high-speed Tri-Axis transfer presses. Ready to experience the future of manufacturing? Contact us today and unlock the power of innovation. PhD, let's solve your automation challenges together.